to ELITS for calling us for this conference. And we at the Fujifilm is at the forefront of digitization of X-rays. We have the CR systems, the DR systems, teleradiology systems, PAC systems, and we digitize the whole X-rays. And recently we have done a digitization of X-rays in Assam. We have taken 100 centers through a public-private partnership, ARSNA, and put 100 CR systems to the smallest and small places. And those places are very remote places. To take the CR system there, it goes by the road, then it will be put on a boat, and then finally on the back of a person, they have taken to small centers in a very, very remote places, and those are connected to teleradiology. And within 2 to 3 hours, now the X-ray reports can be given because there is no radiologist. And each and every X-rays which are being reported, the public-private partnership, the person who is putting up these systems, they are getting the money for the first X-ray system. And similarly, we have put the CT scan machines, MRI machines. So with the help of these things, what is happening? India is a huge country with 125 crore people, and we have only 10,000 radiologists to screen these people. But this is not possible to have a radiologist at every CHC or PHC. But they are going to have the X-ray machines there, there is going to be CT machines there because there is going to be some emergencies, screening programs. So for that, what Madam has already said, the way they are doing in Haryana, I am very much impressed the way she has explained the things which they are doing in Haryana. They are doing through the E-program, all these things. So basically the digitization, my feeling, is the key to success. And we have also done these digitizations not only in the state of Assam, now we are doing in Himachal Pradesh, we are doing in 120 centers. In the smaller places, we are going there, putting our CR systems, now connecting through the teleradiology system. And similarly in the state of Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, many of the states, we are doing Rajasthan. So now all the state governments are taking the advantages of the availability of these digitization, connectivity, because of the net is now available. So these things are improving the healthcare in India. So similarly, the most important thing which from Fujifilm side, what we are doing is also to increase the awareness of early detection of the cancer. And that is very important because the cancer is detected very late. It is detected mostly when it is in stage 3 or stage 4. And the management of the cancer becomes very, very costly if it is detected at a later stage. So we are putting our full-field digital mammography machines and connecting these machines to teleradiology and putting the mobile mammography vans so that the mobile mammography vans can go to the places where they have the X-rays, the mammography, and the pathology test can be done, and those tests can be online transferred to the physician and the reporting can be done, and if there is a problem that can be sorted out very fast. So these things are going to help us a lot. So we are trying to increase the awareness among the people by doing the kind of roadshows, by also we are spending a lot of money in doing the press conferences so that the people are aware the benefit of early detection. Early detection, digitization, and the prevention. These are the major things which is at the forefront of Fujifilm, which we are doing and helping the healthcare sector in India so that better quality of life can be given to the patients. Thank you very much. Thanks.